Hello, internet friends and family. It's me, Prepper Russ, and cheers! It's winter time, and I'm making a quick video of a small mini winter kit or EDC pack that kind of acts like a supplement to all of your other EDC bag gear. It's something to throw into your purse or your coat pocket in the winter time. Let's see what's in it. You're at work and maybe the power goes out, or maybe you're in your car and like your car just dies and you're waiting for like AAA or the police or something to show up and help you out, right? And speaking of AAA, I write this giant number on the back because we are AAA members. The first thing I got in here is a lock de-icer. The locking mechanism works the same way regardless if you use your fob or a key. That's how you get into your car. All you do is take the cap off and then push that in your lock and whoosh. The second item I have in here, probably the most important, is to have a nice Mylar Poncho. It retains 90% of your heat. You're sitting in your car, you're freezing your buns off, and you're like, man, I wish I had something else to make me like warmer. So this is a super slim battery charger. It works on your phone. It works on anything with like the typical micro USB ports. Like this cable comes out. Okay, this is just like simple logic. Here's $10 cash. Carry a little bit of cash with you so you can get gas and come home. I also put in a bunch of phone numbers in there. If your phone's dead or something, and you might have to borrow somebody else's phone. Next up, I put two hand warmers in here. Take them out, and then you shake them up, and the oxygen like turns them on basically. And then like you can hold them for like up to 10 hours. What's next? This is just a baby lighter. It's nice to have the ability to have fire anywhere you're at. This could be used as like a supplemental light, or if you need to like light something on fire, if like shit's getting really cold. And all it is like, bam, right? And I like these because they stay lit. Let's just say it's cold out and maybe you're like suffering with a cold or something. This thing handles like aches and pains and snotty noses and coughing and everything, man. And I was able to shove one more thing in there for comfort, which is just a one cough drop. That's it, man. Like, hey, save your life, comfort, right? Start a fire, fix your lock, get gas, keep your hands and feet warm, charge your battery. What else would you need in such a tiny little kit? Please check out the rest of my channel. I'm Prepper Russ, I guess.